Are you feeling stuck, trapped in a 9-to-5 routine that pays the bills but starves your ambition? You look at the clock, you look at your bank account, and you know there has to be more than this. You have pockets of time, your commute, your lunch break, the quiet hours, after everyone else is asleep. What if you could turn that downtime, that spare capacity, into a real, tangible income stream? Not in a year, not in 6 months, but starting this week. If you're a stuck 9-to-5er, then you need a practical way to flip your downtime into cash, without needing a second degree or years of experience. Or maybe you're a student, juggling lectures, assignments, and a social life. The idea of a rigid part-time job with a fixed schedule just doesn't work. You need flexibility. You need something you can pick up between classes or late at night, something that pays well for your time and maybe even uses the skills you're already building. If you're a student, then you need easy gigs that fit your unique schedule, not the other way around. And what if you're just curious? You hear the constant buzz about AI, about side hustles, about people achieving financial freedom from their laptops. It sounds exciting, but also incredibly overwhelming. Where do you even begin? You don't have a specific skill you think you can sell, and the idea of competing with experts is terrifying. If you're someone curious, then you need a simple, step-by-step playbook to launch fast, without the noise and confusion. A proven path from zero to your first paying client. Today I'm giving you that playbook. This is AI Freelancing for Beginners, the complete guide to making money with AI, even if you feel you have no marketable skills. Step 1, and this is the most crucial step of all, pick one tiny, hyper-specific niche. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to be a jack of all trades. They say, I can write anything with AI. But a client isn't looking for anything. They're looking for a specific solution to a specific problem. By niching down, you become that specific solution. You're not a generalist, you're a specialist. This allows you to create a targeted service, charge more, and deliver faster. Forget, I'll write blog posts. That's too broad. We need to go smaller. Think micro. Think about tasks that are small, repetitive, and a headache for busy professionals or small business owners. For example, social media captions. Not managing their whole account, just writing the 50 to 100 words that go with each post. Businesses need to post daily, and writing fresh, engaging captions is a constant chore. You can be the one to solve that. Or, product descriptions. Specifically for e-commerce stores, on platforms like Shopify or Etsy. A store owner with 50 new products doesn't have time to write compelling copy for each one. You can offer to write them in a consistent, brand-aligned voice. Or even more niche. Ginkrathen Boss Sauber, La Neng Saubri, in Boss Bomber Os Sauber Malber Enber Themeries and Solvers. Professionals know they need a powerful, keyword-rich summary to attract recruiters, but most of them hate writing about themselves. You can specialize in transforming their boring resume points into a compelling professional narrative. Other ideas? YouTube video descriptions, email newsletter subject lines, or even generating podcast show notes. The key is to pick one service that is easily definable and repeatable. Step 2. Create your AI engine. This is where you build your secret weapon. Instead of starting from a blank page every time, you're going to grab a powerful AI tool like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, and build a set of custom prompt templates for your chosen niche. This isn't about just asking the AI to write a product description. It's about engineering a high-quality prompt that gives you a near-perfect result every single time. For example, if your niche is LinkedIn summaries, your template might look something like this. Act as a world-class executive branding coach. I will provide you with a client's resume and some personal notes. Your task is to write a 250-word LinkedIn about summary in the first person. The tone should be confident, approachable, and forward-looking. Weave in the keywords, keyword 1, keyword 2, and keyword 3. Start with a strong hook that grabs the reader's attention and end with a clear call to action, like inviting connection requests. You see? This detailed instruction is your template. You simply swap out the client's details and keywords for each new order. This guarantees two things: incredibly fast output and remarkably consistent quality. Your clients will be amazed at how you nail their voice every time, not knowing your secret is a well-crafted template. Step 3, list your microservice and make it an irresistible offer. Now, it's time to go where the clients are. Sign up for a platform like Fiverr or Upwork. Don't get intimidated by the competition. We are going to slice right through the noise with an offer that's impossible to ignore. Create one single, clear service based on your niche. The title should be dead simple. I will write 3 compelling product descriptions for your Shopify store. Or, I will rewrite your LinkedIn summary for maximum impact. Now, for the crucial part, pricing and delivery. When you're starting with 0 reviews, you need to remove all risk for the buyer. So, you're going to set a shockingly low entry price. I'm talking $5 or $10. I know, it sounds crazy, but you're not working for $5. You're buying data, experience, and most importantly, your first 5-star reviews. Pair this low price with 24-hour delivery. This combination makes you the most attractive option for a client who just wants to test someone out. They think, it's only $10 and I'll have it by tomorrow? Why not? This is how you get your foot in the door. Step 4. Over-deliver, collect reviews, and strategically raise your prices. This is where you turn your initial traction into a sustainable business. For your first few clients, your goal is to blow them away. If they ordered 3 product descriptions, give them 5. If they ordered 5 social media captions, give them 7, and maybe add a list of relevant hashtags as a bonus. Use your AI template to generate these extras in seconds. This isn't hard work for you, but it feels like incredible value to the client. After you deliver, send a polite message. I hope you love the work. If you have a moment, leaving a review would be a huge help for my new profile. Because you've over-delivered, they'll be happy to leave a glowing 5-star review. Once you have 5 to 10 of these reviews, the game changes. You now have social proof. Immediately, double your price. Go from $10 to $20. Then, after another 10 reviews, raise it again to $30 or $40. Your conversion rate won't drop, because now you have the reviews to justify the cost. You're no longer the risky cheap option, you're the proven, reliable choice. This is the ladder you will climb, from a $10 gig to a 100+ premium service, all built on the foundation of those initial, strategic sales. Now for a bonus tip that will save your sanity. Automate your revisions with prompts so you don't burn out. Revisions can be the most time-consuming part of freelancing. A client says, I like it, but can you make it funnier, or more professional? Instead of agonizing over the changes, go back to your AI. Create revision templates. Your prompt could be, here is a piece of text I wrote. Paste original text. My client has asked for it to be more energetic and witty. Please rewrite it, keeping the core message but adjusting the tone accordingly. The AI will do the heavy lifting in seconds. You can have a bank of these revision prompts ready to go for any common request. More formal, more casual, shorter, longer. This turns a 30-minute revision into a 30-second task, protecting your time and energy. At this point, you might have some objections. Isn't the market too saturated? Yes, for generalists. But not for the micro-specialist who offers a $10 24-hour service to get started. You're not competing, you're creating your own entry point. But I'm not an expert writer or marketer. You don't have to be. The AI is your expert tool, and your skill is in creating the prompt templates and managing the client relationship. You are the project manager, the AI is the technician. What if the client hates the AI-generated content? With a good prompt, this is rare. But if it happens, you offer a refund on your tiny initial fee. You've lost $10, but you've gained experience. It's a low-risk learning opportunity. So, are you ready to try? Are you ready to stop wondering and start doing? The path is clear. You don't need to quit your job. You don't need to take out a loan for a course. You just need to take the first, small step. Your action plan for today is simple. 1. Choose your micro niche. Just 1. 2. Open up a notes app and draft your first master prompt template for that niche. 3. Create a free account on Fiverr or Upwork. That's it. Start today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Drop your first gig, even if it feels imperfect, and watch the momentum build. Your first order, your first 5-star review, that's the spark that will ignite this entire journey. This is your chance to build something for yourself, one small gig at a time. If this playbook was helpful and you want more simple, actionable strategies for building an AI-powered freelance business, hit that follow or subscribe button. I release weekly quick start AI freelancing hacks designed to get you from zero to earning fast. Now go get started.